Scrolling your time away, comparing furniture on e-commerce platforms and not sure if you will get what you see? We make furniture for the digital age. This lets us replace awful industry practices like overpricing in showrooms. No worries, our 2.5-acre factory with the latest computer-controlled machinery and our fulfillment centers across Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Hyderabad and Mumbai, we are with you always for any after-sales support. We believe quality should be affordable. The furniture that we showcase to you is based on over 25 years of experience. You will fall in love with any of our products. We'll pick it up. It's that simple. We sell quality. Happiness comes free. Transteel.